I've played violin for over 7 years and have coached numerous beginners, and I truly believe that if there's one song that will completely transform your violin playing, giving you the confidence to dominate this instrument, it is this song. Let me introduce you to He's a Pirate from Pirates of the Caribbean. In this video, I'll teach you how to play this song, give you some pro tips to improve your sound, and play along with you to master it. This song is in the G major scale, and we will be starting off with a B natural on the G string. The G string is the string that's closest to the left of the instrument. We're going to be playing a B natural and an open D. Then place your first finger to make an E natural. Together. Then first, high 2, and then third. Then G, then open A. Then pivot back to the D string and play an F sharp using the high 2. First finger, open D, first finger, rest. Then we'll take a bow circle and repeat this. After that, we'll be playing B, D, E, first finger, then E, third finger, then G, open A, then A, first finger, that makes a B, and then C natural, which will use the low 2. If you recall before, we've been using the high 2 on the D string to make an F sharp, but now we're going to be using the low 2 on the A string to make a C natural. It's this sound, not... If you've got a bit of a musical ear, you could tell that the second time I played that, it sounded kind of weird. That's how you know that it's out of tune. After the C natural, it's first finger B, open A, first finger. Then we rest for one beat. Then play an up bow on the D string using the first finger. Then F sharp, second finger. Then third finger. Then open A. And now listen closely. We're going to be playing a first finger B and then pivot back to an E on the D string, which are both first fingers. You have two options here. You can either jump from the B first finger to the E first finger, or you can roll over. I would recommend rolling over to the E because it helps you when you play faster. Then we rest for one beat and first, third, then high 2. First, open, first. From after the repeat sign, this is how it sounds. So the key to playing this song very well is that you play pretty fast and it's high energy. That's what the pros know that you don't. They play with emotion. Playing with emotion amplifies the experience. And for this song, it's that fire, it's that speed, it's that high energy. One way you can achieve this is by pressing down on the string. Obviously, don't press down too much or else you'll get this scratchy sound. But you want to add some weight to it. I've set the metronome at 70 beats per minute so that we can play together. Remember, the key to sounding good is to be able to play it at a slower tempo before increasing the speed. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. Great work there. I'm so proud of you. If you liked this video, I've got something for you. I've designed a program where you can learn to play your favorite song in just 30 days, even if you've never touched an instrument before. So you need absolutely no experience for this. I'll literally customize your favorite song to a level that's suitable to you. I'll walk you through each and every note and give you fingering guides so you never feel lost. And the best part is that you only pay until you learn the song. If you want more information on that, check out the top link in the description where we can book a one-to-one meeting. Don't worry, I'm a real person. We can discuss your goals and see how I can help you. Once you're done with that, click and watch this video here. Thanks.